Welcome to Auto Insider Reviews, where passion meets precision in exploring the finest machines on four wheels. Today, we take a deep dive into an icon that helped shape the history of American trucks, the Ford F1 pickup. Revered as the pioneer of Ford's F-Series lineage, the F1 represents a timeless blend of rugged capability, classic design, and mechanical simplicity that still captivates enthusiasts decades after its debut. The Ford F1 pickup made its first appearance in 1948, marking Ford's transition from pre-war truck designs to a modern, purpose-built post-war utility vehicle. Built under the new, bonus-built, series, the F1 wasn't just a working man's tool, it was a symbol of progress and reliability. Its design introduced a wider, more comfortable cab, a stronger chassis, and an overall smoother, more refined driving experience compared to its predecessors. Ford's attention to comfort was a major shift in philosophy. No longer was a pickup just for hauling, but also for enjoying the drive. Under the hood, the Ford F1 offered impressive engine choices for its time. Buyers could opt for the dependable 226 cubic inch inline-six or the powerful 239 cubic inch flathead V8, the latter producing around 100 horsepower, a remarkable figure for the late 1940s. These engines were mated to a 3-speed manual transmission, known for its robust durability. Despite the truck's utilitarian roots, the F1's performance was surprisingly smooth, delivering solid low-end torque and a confident ride, even on unpaved roads. Its rear-wheel drive setup and sturdy leaf spring suspension made it a reliable partner for both farmers and small business owners who demanded performance without compromise. The design of the Ford F1 is where its true charm lies. With its rounded fenders, signature horizontal bar grille, and wide stance, it combined strength with style in a way that few vehicles of its era managed to achieve. The cab featured a large, curved windshield for improved visibility and a minimalist yet functional dashboard layout. The wooden bed slats and steel reinforcements not only added to its durability but also gave it a handcrafted, authentic appeal that modern trucks often try to replicate. Each detail reflected Ford's commitment to both practicality and aesthetic refinement, a balance that helped establish the F-Series as a cultural and automotive icon. Beyond its mechanical and visual appeal, the F1 stood out as a symbol of post-war optimism. It represented America's shift toward progress, freedom, and innovation. The F1's simple engineering made it easy to maintain and modify, which is why it remains a favorite among restorers and custom builders even today. Whether kept in its original form or transformed into a showpiece with modern performance upgrades, the Ford F1 continues to embody the spirit of resilience and craftsmanship that defined an era. The legacy of the Ford F1 pickup goes far beyond its years of production. It laid the foundation for what would become the best-selling truck line in history, the Ford F-Series. Every modern F-150 owes its existence to the trail blazed by the F1, a truck that proved power could coexist with comfort, and utility could still look beautiful. Its timeless design, mechanical simplicity, and enduring appeal make it not just a collectible classic, but a living testament to Ford's vision and the enduring American love for the open road. At Auto Insider Reviews, we celebrate machines like the Ford F1 that don't just transport people or goods, they transport history, character, and innovation. The Ford F1 isn't merely a pickup, it's a piece of automotive heritage that continues to inspire generations of drivers and truck enthusiasts around the world.